Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a call on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make phone call on your Apple Watch, first, you want to make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both paired together. So once they are both paired together, you'll be able to make a phone call on your Apple Watch. I have paired my Apple Watch and my iPhone together. Now, to make a phone call on my Apple Watch, all I need to do is go ahead and open the phone app. And then on the phone app, you see all your recent calls. You can just go ahead and click on contact to access all your contact, or better still, click on the dial button at the top right, which is indicated as 9 dots. Now go ahead and type the contact you want to dial and then dial it. Then you should see your Apple Watch making the phone call straight. You also see the phone call on your iPhone. If you come to your iPhone like this, so you can transfer calls from Apple Watch to iPhone, and once the caller picks it, you'll be able to answer the call on your Apple Watch. So just wait on the caller picks the call and you'll be able to answer the call using your Apple Watch, and that's it. So that's exactly how to make a call on Apple Watch. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.